Okay, when replacing this power shock, the easiest way would be you removing the old one just by putting something here, like a screwdriver. Same over there. Take it out. Then the old cord, when it's gonna stick from here, you just cut it. And the new cord, you just use tape, like regular black tape, to put it together. This way you can pull it so you can go through this thing. Otherwise it's just impossible. Then you just connect these two to these two and put everything back. There were only 2 screws. One is right here. I'll show it from this side. One is right here and the other one is right here. Just 2 screws. Then you have to pull this one panel. Just pull it. The other one, pull it. I removed this one, but I think you don't have to. And after you remove these 2 screws and these 2 panels, you can just pull on this one. Then I disconnected this wire so it's easier to work. The rest is still there, still connected. So let me see if it's gonna work.